Welcome to this video where we're going to talk about username on Pinterest. Maybe you are thinking on other social media platforms, you can't really change username so often, and sometimes you can really use also your brand name, or maybe you have to change it a little bit and tweak so it really fits to that specific platform. So how is it on Pinterest? Can you change username, or do we have any kind of like rules we have to follow? So this is going to be the topic of today's video. I'm Michaela and I'm Pinterest marketing strategist, and I also help you I really want to help you to see how you can use Pinterest in the best way. So let's go to the video. If you like my videos, just subscribe here because every week I'm giving you special Pinterest tips. I have a lot of experience of driving traffic and using the maximum potential of this platform. So I really work with a lot of different clients, and also for myself, I drive traffic and sales to my e-shop or blog, and of course my website. So subscribe here so we can continue to the video. Can I change username or not? So let's go and see where you actually change username and what maybe you don't know what I'm talking about. So username on Pinterest is basically on the top. You see the URL pinterest.com/pininspiration.com in my case. In your case, it will be something else. So if it would be in my case, for example, of my travel gear shop, it would be pinterest.com/fun food travel gear. So this is like the username we are talking about. It doesn't have to be the same like the title of your profile. You see here, I have Pin Inspiration Marketing Strategy Online Business, but the username I use pininspiration.com all together. So if we go on the top right corner, settings, you can see all the options you have for your account. And in the settings, first, of course, you have your photo or logo. You see the profile photo. You can always change it here if you want. I recommend using your photo if you are standing behind the brand. If you are not behind a brand, you may be using a logo. But like if you want to, like maybe you're doing handcraft business or you have online business like me, you want to show your face. Faceless marketing is maybe quite popular now, but if you are the ones who is doing the products or creating, or basically you are the brand, like in my case, then I recommend having your profile picture here. It's more personal. People relate much better with that. Then, of course, we have the name. As I said, that's the title of your profile. Always have some keywords there. And then we have we can say a little bit like bio, which is in the about you. This like the profile description. There's a part where you want to say what you do, what you can offer. And of course, you want to always use some keywords here. Optimize profile description. Here you can also choose your pronouns in the sense of he, him, she, her, whatever you want. If they're adding more and more every week, so you can choose if you want. And then you have your verified website or e-commerce store or blog. And here we are talking today about the Pin Inspiration username. So you actually see it here. This is how it's going to look like. Pinterest.com/pininspiration.com. Now, if I want to change it, you have to think about it that sometimes Pinterest will write you, this is not possible. Maybe the username is already somebody else is using it. If I try to use only Pin Inspiration, it probably tells me, no, it's not possible. So you have to try different options. And that's why I have here pininspiration.com. Because if I want to use only this, it will probably tells me that's not possible. We will see. Yes, you see, username already taken. So that can happen even if nobody else has this username. But sometimes the robots, let's say, or the Pinterest will not let you this username. So you have to add something else without any specific symbols, like without any dots, any slash, numbers. Just use pininspiration.com all together. All together, like if you would be writing hashtags. I could write Pinterest marketing, but probably somebody already have Pinterest marketing in as a username. Okay, so you can change. There are no limitations, no rules on Pinterest how you can change this. You can change it as you like, as long as Pinterest takes it. So don't worry about it. You can really just play with it. The important thing is write all together, like if you would be using hashtags all together. If it doesn't take in, like username is already taken, you can basically add something else. You can also use, for example, underscore or something like that. If it's already taken and you still want to use it like this, if I would like to use pin inspiration, I can use pin underscore inspiration, for example. Or you can just add com, or you can add something else. All right. So this is how you can easily change your username. As I said, there are no rules. It's easy to change in the settings. If you have any retail location, you can always put your address line, phone number, country code, and you just fill this all here. Don't forget to save it, the red button over here. So this is how you basically change or modify your username on Pinterest. Remember, you can play with it, put all together, and if it's already taken, just think about something creative. And ideally, if you have some kind of keyword in the username, or maybe you are a photographer, so ideally you would have Michaela or Mika photography or photographer, because that's my username, but it's also keyword. So that's my special tip at the end. If you like my videos, just subscribe here. Every week we have new videos, and I will be glad that if you do it. So you help me to grow my channel, and also you can learn some special marketing tips about Pinterest. So I see you next time. Bye bye.